everyone! So today I'm back with another of those spring cleaning, decluttering, organizing video. I already did my closet and my makeup collection and you guys seem to really enjoy this video. Now I love watching those kinds of video and filming them actually encouraged me to tidy up around the house. So today we are in our bathroom. This room is actually one of my favorites in the whole house. Before we moved in, this is one of the rooms that we completely redid. It was very shady looking. The furniture was from the 70s. It has a really old, like kind of weird shower over there. It was just a disaster. So we completely redone the room. I absolutely love the end result. That being said, it has been a disaster for a couple of days now. We usually keep this room really clean and really organized, but between work, working on the blog, doing things around the house, the last few days have been really busy, so we put a lot of things on the counter and not everything is clean and organized. And I also really want to make a mission to finish all the products that I have open right now. So I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna organize and clean everything and show you. I'm gonna show you a look at the room before we get started. So this is how the room looks like when you come in from the bedroom. We have a bathtub. See, there's a lot of things just hanging out there. We have these beautiful shelves that I really want to style because at the moment it's just a random collection of things. We have a gorgeous view of our back garden. We have our two sinks. See, I just did my hair about an hour ago. Everything is still there. My shelves, I mean, come on. You saw that in my day in the life video, but I could do so much better. Everything's just crumbled in there. It doesn't make sense. So I really want to work on that. I really want to work on my drawers as well because, I mean, look at that. It's just, it could be better, like definitely. And it's really crowded as well. So I want to work on that as well. The shower is pretty good. We only have a few products and trust me, usually I have double the amount of product, but now it's just things that I always use. I have my tripod in a way. Then we have this little bench with our towels and that's pretty much it. So definitely quite a lot of work to go through. So first things first, I'm gonna empty all of this cabinet and I'm gonna go through all the products and clean the shelves a little bit because that could be a bit better. organizing, decluttering, and cleaning this room, I already feel so much better. Now I just have to light the candle, so it's gonna smell gorgeous in here, but I'm so happy. So now I'm gonna show you everything I did and everything I'm getting rid of. So let me show you how it looks like in here. It is so much better. I emptied the whole thing. I did a little bit of a purge, and then I just put back all the products I'm currently using and loving. So the way I organize things is that I have pore strips on the very top. I know they are not the best for your skin, but I just love using these. Here is everything that has to do with body, so like body cream, body oils. I have deodorant, face exfoliant. These are all face masks. I really need to use my face mask. I've got cleanser, makeup remover, my SPF, not bronzer, self tanner for the face, all my face mist and toner, and then oil, serum, eye cream, and then face cream. And I'm just gonna show you a few of my favorites. I've been loving this Paula's Choice SPF 50 for the face. It is mattifying. You can also use it on your body, so it's great if you just want one product to do face and body, but this is great. And I've been using it pretty much every single day because I've been using 2 new products in my routine that have made the biggest difference. I started using a retinoid. This is by Hen, which is a clean beauty brand. This is in an oil, so I use it probably 2 or 3 times a week just before going to bed. And then a product that has made the biggest difference that I started using about 5 or 6 days ago is this booster with vitamin C from Clinique. I woke up this morning and my skin, although I still have red skin, and I think it's just how my skin is naturally, my skin was silky smooth, no imperfection, no texture, no nothing, and I believe it's all down to this. So because I'm using like acids and retinoid and vitamin C, SPF is absolutely important in my routine. So this is how my sink looks like. Usually I don't have anything apart from my toothbrush, Clarisonic, hand soap and hand lotion, and my speaker from Bose. But the reason I've added all of these products is because those are nearly empty. So I have a couple of face cleanser, face treatment, Vitalash. I couldn't believe I still had one. And then some samples and some body and teeth things. So I feel like if I leave them on there, I'm gonna use them up. So let's see how that goes. So here we go with the drawers. I just keep all of my feminine products over here, some razor blades, my contacts, and then I have my epilator tucked away there. This is all hair product, but there are a few that are nearly empty as well. So I have a couple of drying shampoo and hairspray that are nearly gone, so that's great. I'm gonna free up some space. And then these are all self tanners. So this is how my first drawer looks like. I have some cotton pads over there. I usually use washable ones. The reason I have disposable ones is because we have some alcohol in the cabinet next door. So if we ever cut ourselves or something, we can use disposable ones. Then I have some cotton buds, hair elastic, hair accessories. I have all of my face flannels. I usually have some left there that are like darker colors for when I take off my makeup, but they're currently in the wash. I have like contact solution, face massager. I have an adapter because I do have a few products with US or UK sockets, and I live in Belgium, so I need an adapter. And then I have a few lip balms, and then teeth accessories, and then some face tools as well. So as you can see, I made 3 piles of product, which are obviously not staying there, but these are all the stuff I'm getting rid of. So I have some empties like shower gel and dry shampoo. And then these 2 are blemish sticks that are just too old. I do have 2 tabs for the bath. I put them there so that next time I'm having a bath, I can remember to use them. And then I have these 3 products are actually 2 lip balms and a hand sanitizer. They just need to go somewhere else. And then I have 3 products. These are micellar water, a lavender candle, and a body lotion, like orange scented body lotion from Jo Malone. I actually hate the smell of these 2 products, and I don't like this micellar water. So I'm gonna check with my mom if she wants any of these. And then I cleaned all of the shelves. I don't have anything on the 2 top ones yet. And then I just put some products that I use, some candles, my dry brush and stuff like that over there. And then these are all products that I'm using in the bath. And in this little thing, I put all of my sheet masks because I always forget to do sheet mask, and now is the time to use them, so I've put them there so that I can remember to use them every time I'm having a bath. The one thing is that I would really like to style those shelves, but I have no idea what to put on them. So if you have any great inspiration, maybe on Pinterest or something like that, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do something a bit more stylish with these. So that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed spring cleaning my bathroom with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care everyone. Bye!